Welcome. Let's look at these JAMB past questions, biology 2018. Question number 4. At fertilization, A, one chromosome from the male joins another from the female. B, one gene from the male combines with another from the female. C, the male nucleus fuses with the female nucleus. D, one set of chromosome combines with another set from the female. So what actually happens during fertilization? We all know that fertilization is what happens when there is this fusion of the nucleus from the male with that of the female. But this fertilization on the surface, that is what it is. But in details, we know that fertilization is what occurs when there is fusion of chromosomes in two haploid gametes. So fertilization is actually what occurs when there is fusion of chromosomes in two haploid gametes, talking about the sperm cell and the egg from the female. So we're talking about the male and female gametes. So when there is the fusion of these to produce a diploid, that is 2n zygotes. So whenever you have the production of zygotes by the fusion of chromosomes in two haploid gametes, that is the gamete from the male and the female, to form a diploid zygote, we have what to call fertilization. That is what fertilization is all about. But on the surface, you can say that fertilization is the fusion of the male nucleus and the female nucleus. So what part of this nucleus are actually fusing? It is actually the chromosomes of the two haploid gametes from the male and female to produce a diploid zygote. So that is what happens. Now, so the option that is very close to this is C. Why? Because if you look at this, you also have chromosome, but here we're talking about one chromosome. One chromosome is not what does the fusion, so it cannot be one. This alone takes this out. Now for the second one gene from the male. When you're talking about gene, you're talking about hereditary. It's not actually reproduction as we are supposed to do in fertilization. Now this D says one set of chromosome combines with another set from female. One set of chromosome from where? Is it from male or female? So you can see that this statement is not complete. So D cannot be the answer, B cannot be, A cannot be. But option number C is the answer to the problem. Thank you.